Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today we are going to make another DIY using these magic cubes. These are from Dollar Tree and they are just $1 each, so you need 8. With $8 you can have a beautiful piece of decoration. And to put them together we are going to use this packaging tape. I think you can find in Dollar Tree too. And then you can print some pictures. You will need 12 pictures. I printed at 5 by 5, but then I cut them at a 4.5 by 4.5, okay? And one advice that I'm going to give you before you start is that not all the cubes are the same size. For example, I bought one. This one was from Dollar Tree, but I peeled them because I wanted to see if I had to peel. But what happened that this has a very good adhesive, so it doesn't peel off everything. So I decided that I'm going to put the tape on top of this, okay? But what happened is that this cube was from another store, another Dollar Tree, and look. This one is bigger than this. It's like 1/4 of an inch bigger. And I recommend you to buy the 8 cubes from the same store if you want to do this project, okay? I like this cube because it's going to be big and it's going to be a very nice decoration. It's not going to be something too little, okay? I practiced so much that I found that super easy way to make it, okay? So anyone can do it. And it's only in 3 steps. Once you have the cube, then I'm gonna show you how to put the pictures. And if you want, you can print a panoramic right here, or print at 8 by 10 and cut it, okay? So it's okay because at the end, we are going to put, for example, 2 pictures right here, or you can print one long one, okay? And to adhere the pictures, we are going to use double-sided tape. Okay, any double-sided tape that you have. Okay, the first step, okay, is to put tape on each one up here on one side, then turn, and then on the other side, okay? And I'm gonna show you doing these ones, and you have to do the same thing for all of them. Okay, I have that tape right here, and don't put them tight. Okay, don't put them tight. Just put them together and put that tape on top. Just make sure it's straight, okay? See? Just make sure it's straight on both sides, okay? Then you are going to put it like this, see? And you have to put tape on this side. Okay, same thing, you put them together and then put that tape on top. Okay, see, now you have like this, okay? See? So you have to do the same to all of them. number 2, okay, is going to put this one like this. See, open right here, okay, and this one, the part that is with tape, is going to be at the bottom, okay, so it's going to be like this, okay, and this one too. See, we have this and this, so we are going to put them together, okay, we put them together, and now we're going to put tape here and here. Once you have all of these, step number 3 is put this one up like this, make the cube, and put tape here, okay, 2 here, vertical, and 2 here, okay, vertical. So if you want, you're going to put this way, okay, so you can see. And we are going to put here one up here, and then the other one right here. Now that's for this side. And now on this side, okay, now right here, and right here. Press very well. Okay, we press, we are done. Okay, now we're going to put the pictures. So you choose the picture that you want, okay, and the first one is going to be cut in half. Then you are going to put double-sided tape, and you are going to align each side in the cube. And we press very well on the top of the picture. And these 2 sides were the last ones that we put the tape, okay? So this is our first page, okay? And if you want, you can use distress inks, okay? Like this one is vintage photo, and you can add some distress in the edges so it can look like a frame, okay? So you can do that only around. Okay, then you're going to open, okay, like this. And here we are going to add 2 more pictures, and I cut them in half horizontally, okay? So if you follow each step, you are going to have all the pictures done, okay, along with me. It is an option to ink the edges using the distress inks, okay? Don't worry if you don't have it and you don't want to do it. Now we are going to continue, and the next step is to open again, and we have room for 2 more pictures. And this is how we're going to do, okay? I already cut the pictures, and you can see how many parts do you have to cut, okay? 1 long one on the side and then 2 small ones, okay, 2 little squares. And as you can see, the squares are cut in the center, so the long ones are on the sides, okay, for the pictures. So for the first one, the long one is on the left, and for the second one, the long one is on the right, okay. That's how are we going to do in this side of the cube. Now we open like this and we have room for one more picture, and we are going to cut it in half. The easy way, okay, is like fold the picture and just pinch right here in the center and then cut, okay. So I'm going to do it up here. Okay, I was doing off camera. But this is how I do, okay? Now we open the cube all the way and we turn to the right, and then we have room for 2 more pictures that we are going to cut in 2, each one of them, okay? So as you can see right now, okay, you just have to glue half on the bottom and half on the top. And we do the same with the other picture. Now it's done, and we are going to open again, and we have room for 2 more pictures. And as you can see, I already cut them, and there is one long one on the side, and the other half I cut it in 2, so I have one square on top and another one for the bottom. See? Then you're going to do the same in the other side, but in reverse, okay? The long one is on the left and the 2 squares in the center. Now we are back to the first picture, and we are going to turn, okay, and you will ink that part because we didn't do it, and we are going to turn one more time, okay, and we have room for another picture. You can cut that picture in 4, and you can decide what direction you want to give to the picture. It can be to the left or to the right. we need to glue one more picture, okay? And we're going to open the cube, okay? And when you make the shape of the cube again, we are going to turn and you're going to ink the parts that you didn't do it, okay? For example, that side. And then you will find the empty space. And we are going to cut in 4 pieces and we are going to put them on the cube, okay, as you can see. And that cube is done, okay? Can you see? If you like this DIY, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share this video. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.